Eyeglasses. From fashion to vision correctness. It's become extremely common nowadays, isn't it? But did you know how it came into existence? Well, scattered evidence exists for the use of visual aid devices in Greek and Roman times. Most prominently, the use of an emerald by Emperor Nero, as mentioned by Pliny the Elder. The use of a convex lens to form an enlarged or a magnified image was most likely described by Ptolemy in his book called Optics. Ptolemy's description of lenses was commented upon and improved by Ibn Sahal and most notably by Al-Hazen in the Book of Optics. Later, independently, the development of optic lenses was mentioned in some cultures and eventually developed as sunglasses for the eye protection without any corrective properties. For example, flat panes of smoky quartz were used in the 12th century China, and the Inuit had snow goggles for eye protection. The earliest recorded comment on the use of lenses for optical purposes was made in 1268 by Roger Bacon. The first eyeglasses were estimated to have been made in central Italy, most likely in Pisa, by about 1290.